Peace family, welcome to our USD analysis. So let's start by analyzing NASDAQ. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4 hour. And then on a 4 hour, we have this support area right here. Let me just plot this. So we have this support area right here and even here. Okay, so let's go to hourly. So what I'm going to look out for is maybe a double bottom and then push to the upside, potentially up to there. And if this doesn't happen, then I'm going to look out for a break, retest, and then sell. And then my potential TP is going to be all the way right there. So all the way right there up to this double bottom right here. Okay, so that's my analysis for NASDAQ. And then let's go to GBPJPY. And then on a weekly, let me take this out. Then let me zoom in so that we can see our overall trend. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4 hour. And then let me blow up this. So on a 4 hour, we have this support area right there from here up to there. So let's go to our hourly. So there's a potential that the market can come all the way up to here. And from here, we'll see maybe we can have something like this, or a break, retest, and then sell. But you're not trying to predict the market. We'll just have to observe how the market is going to react when it gets to around these areas right here. So let's go to our EURJPY. And then on a weekly, these things are still here. They're going to make things a bit complicated. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4 hour. And let me just plug this so that we can actually see the whole view. So currently we're playing around this area, so consolidating. So as we're consolidating, okay, so we have this resistance area right here, or someone might say we have a resistance around here or even here. Okay, but I would like to have my, not the resistance, support area right there. And then we have a resistance around there, and then let me just drag this somewhere there. So since I don't normally focus when the market is consolidating, I'm just going to wait for a possible of break, retest, and then continue, and then a break, retest, continue. One of these. If this happen, then I'm going to buy. If this happen, then I'm going to sell. Okay, but for now I'm just going to stay away and observe how the market is going to react. And then let's go to gold, and then on a weekly, so on a weekly we are on an uptrend, and then let's go to our 4-hour, and on a 4-hour we have this. Let me just zoom right there, right here. So let's go to our hourly. So since we broke this zone right there, there is a possibility of maybe even the market pushed down and then came to retest and then start to sell. And then if the market fails to break this support area right here, we can see like a double bottom and push to the upside. And then my potential TP is going to be right there. So that's my analysis for gold at the moment. And then let's go to EURUSD. And then on a weekly, so last time I said that if you break this zone right here, then I'll officially say we are on a downtrend. Then as we broke this zone right there, so let's go to our 4-hour. So on a bigger scale, we have this zone right here. Let me just go to the weekly. On a weekly, it's much clearer. Then let me block this. So since we broke out this zone right here, there's a possibility that the market can come, retest around these areas, and then even continue to sell. And then let's go to a smaller time frame on a 4-hour. And on a 4-hour, there isn't much to say. Like there isn't much to say. Let's go to hourly. Same applies on the hourly. So on the hourly, last time we had this zone right here. Let me just plop this. So we had this zone right here. We broke this zone, this support area, and then we came to retest, but we didn't reach this area right here, and then the market decided to sell. So let me just delete this. So what I'm going to look out for is a huge pullback, potential up to here, and then continue. But for now, right here, I don't see anything. I don't see anything. On a weekly, this is what I'm seeing. That's if the USD is stronger than the euro, something like this. Okay, so let's go to USDJPY, and then on a weekly we are on an uptrend, like we've been pushing to the upside for quite a long time. And then let's go to on a 4-hour, and then let me just drag this, and then there's a zoom in fact right here, but on a 4-hour it's not quite visible. So let's go to our hourly. So on an hourly we have this zone right there, right here, right here, right here, and then he finally broke this zone right there, this resistance area. So let me just extend this. So I'm just going to, right here I was expecting the market to come around these areas and then push to the upside, but since we didn't have the retest, I'm still going to wait for a retest around these areas right there. So that's my analysis for USDJPY. And then let's go to GBPUSD, and then on a weekly so on a weekly we broke this, so let me just expand this or blow up this. So this is what I'm seeing on a weekly. Okay, so we had this zone, and then finally broke this, at this zone being our support area. So we finally broke this support area. So what I'm going to look out for, a potential of a push to retest this area, and then potential sell up to there. So let's go to our 4-hour. So honestly, on the 4-hour there isn't much to say, like there isn't. Right here there isn't, clearly there's nothing. So let's go to our hourly. Same applies to the hourly, there isn't much to say. So let's go to our weekly. So on a weekly, this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing on a weekly. So comment down below, what do you think about GBPUSD and EURUSD? So that's it for our analysis. Tap in.